Want to schedule a live stream on Instagram and let your followers know when it will be starting? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to schedule an Instagram Live. Now let's get started. To begin, open Instagram and tap the plus sign at the top. Then select Live. On the left, tap Schedule. Add a title for your live. Then tap Start Time. Use the sliders at the bottom to set the date and time you want your live stream to begin. Your scheduled start time must be at least 1 hour from the current time and a maximum of 3 months from today. Tap Done. Then tap Schedule Live Video. Your scheduled live will appear on your Instagram profile underneath your bio. If you need to make any changes to your scheduled live stream start time or title, tap your scheduled live on your profile. Then tap Edit. Make any changes needed to your live or cancel it from here if needed. To share a post about your scheduled live, tap your scheduled live on your profile. Then select Share as Post. Create a post as you normally would. Your scheduled live will be linked to the post once you share it. When your followers view this post, they can tap the bell icon in the bottom left corner to see details about your scheduled live and opt in for reminders so they don't miss your stream. When the time comes for your live stream to begin, tap Start Live Video. Tap the shutter button to begin your live stream. Then tap Start. That's all it takes to schedule an Instagram Live. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.